ASUS TUF Gaming 16 Laptop Review. Affordable power for gamers. So, the ASUS TUF Gaming 16 is a mid-range, affordable power gaming laptop from the ASUS TUF lineup, engineered to give good gaming and everyday computing performance without the premium cost or the weight bulk of a high-end gaming laptops. It typically pairs a cable and a capable CPU, plus a mid-tier NVIDIA GPU, which is the 40 series or the 50 series, and a laptop GPU depending on your variant, with a 16-inch display and a DDR5 RAM and SSD storage, aiming for a balanced gaming plus everyday use machine. So it's targeted at gamers, students, and general users who want reliable gaming laptop for light gaming. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers solid gaming performance for price class. It is affordable for the entry to PC level gaming. It has a balanced gaming plus everyday task use. It offers portability plus 16-inch form factor sweet spot. It also has a good value to performance ratio. And for the cons though, the GPU performance is limited for future proof and for heavy workloads. It has some trade-offs against the high-end gaming laptop as well, and for the less longevity for intensive workloads. And it compromises in display and their features, and it is still a mid-range compromised machine. So overall, the Gaming 16 is an excellent affordable power gaming laptop, ideal for gamers, students, or users who want a decent gaming capability and everyday performance without spending too much. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications